Hello and welcome to Bemis Crafty Corner. This is Monday's Mixed Media Mini Morsels. What a mouthful. We basically every other week give you 5 mixed media prompts that you can use any way that you want. At the end, I'll kind of give you a little bit of an idea of how each prompt is completed. If you would like a copy of the list, you can get that from my Google Drive. There's a link in the description below. And of course, as always, we'd love to see what you come up with. If you just put the week number on it, you can submit it to the group, and we'd love to take a look at it. Okay, so random number generator, 50 random items. Number 3, which is a wild card, and we'll talk about these later. A commercial. Always have commercials. Next up, number 4, which is a household stamp. Oh, Lucy, you got a lot of explaining to do. Number 39, magazine or book graphic. Number 30, add green. And 25, add black. All right, let's take a look at what we have here. So a wild card is just that. It means you can do anything that you want or nothing at all. It's entirely up to you. A household stamp is anything that you can find in your house. It can be something as simple as this little finger guard. You could dip it in ink or paint and then put it on your project. It can be a fork. It can be a spoon. It can be bubble wrap, a roll of tape, whatever you have, okay? Magazine or book graphics is any kind of picture from a book or a magazine that you might have on hand. If you don't have that, go get today's mail and look through the junk mail. See if there's something in there that you can use. Adding the color green and the color black, you can add those colors in any way that you want. It could be paint, ink, fiber, washi tape, however you want to add it, okay? So that is week 21. Until I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.